It is 2026, and if you're trying to start a digital product business, but you don't have a product, I've got you covered. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. The new year has started, and if you are interested in adding additional income streams to your current income, this is the time to start taking action. It's time to get serious, guys. I mean, the new year has started and we're already ending in February. Just that quick. That lets you know how quick time flies. And if you want to make a better life for yourself, you got to start somewhere. You've seen me introduce Artistly to you, and you can see all the benefits and options that they have to offer. So let's get into how you can invest in yourself so that you can create that second income stream. Okay, first I'm going to go into the Digital Boss Academy back office. I'm going to show you the classroom section. Okay, and what I'm going to do is actually go into volume 2 because I want to show you that we have been talking a lot about Amazon KDP, and they have a complete section for Amazon KDP. If you want to know how to do it, you can definitely get more information here as well if you decide to uh, purchase the Digital Boss Academy Volume 2. But anyway, let's get further into the different ways that you can use Artistly to help you benefit from using your own product. And I know sometimes you might say, well, I don't have a digital product to sell, or I don't know, what's popular, what's out there. I completely understand that. And here's the thing. If you don't have a clue or don't have your own product, you can definitely invest in Digital Boss Academy. You can invest in Digital Boss Academy, learn how to create content to sell your digital products, but most importantly, you can sell Digital Boss Academy until you figure out what kind of product you want to create for yourself in order to sell it. Okay? Um, here's another idea. Let's say, for instance, drop shipping. For drop shipping, we all know that when you do drop shipping, that is going to be Printful and as well as Printify. And basically, that's anywhere from T-shirts, cups, bags, pillows, wall art, quilts, rugs, shower curtains, you name it. All of that can be created where? Right here in Artistly. You can do, let's see, let's go to the AI design agent. Okay, you can get your t-shirt designs from here, and you can go right in Digital Boss Academy, and they'll show you how to set everything up, how to set up your back office. Let's go back in there and see if I can give you a little more detail. Um, it shows you how to do the sign up for the dashboard breakdown. Let's get here. Customize your product. It's going to show you how to do all that. It's also going to show you how to design and create and upload. Like I said, you can go into Canva, especially when you've already created a design in Artistly, like your t-shirt, and you might want to add a little more custom details that you want to put in yourself. You can always take whatever you download, bring it over to Canva, and add more to it, and that's going to make your design even more unique and different. Okay, you can also do the, let's see, let's
Okay,
go
so
back
like I said,
out, and I
wrong.
want to show you
I clicked the wrong one, so my
let's see if I
apologies.
can find it, the PLR vault. In the PLR vault, right here, it gives you products just in case you don't have your own. You
You can
can pick
choose
something
any
from back here,
page you would
and if you
like
need to
within the
make a
story
book
for your
cover,
back
you
page,
can run right over here to Artistly
and
and
we're going to
create your own
generate.
book cover. If you want to do a cookbook,
Now
you can
we
create
have
a
come
cookbook
to
creator. That's another
the
way
ending, so we're going to
that you
see
can, of course,
how
make
everything
money
came
with a
out.
digital
Okay?
product. The coloring book, okay? I also have my very own coloring book,
I'm going to
KDP
show you the
coloring
one
book,
from last
a
week,
guide that you guys can pick up as well. And I'll show you a link of
the
that as
prank
well toward the
book
end.
that we did. I didn't
But
get a chance to
again,
let you
if you
guys
are
go
looking to
over it
get
or see
started,
it
there's
in
really
its
no
finished
excuses.
state. But
You
I
don't
also want
have
to
to
tell you with
know what you're
KDP,
going to sell.
when you
You don't have
download
to
it, it
know
will take 10 to
everything of
20
what's
minutes
going
for
on
it to
right now.
download.
Right now, we're
And you
selling
have to, I found mine in
Digital
my
Boss
documents
Academy,
section,
and
not in my
it's going to
download
keep you
section.
updated on
And when you
things
get it,
that
it will
are
download to a
current,
PDF.
that are
That
selling in the
PDF you
background.
should be able
And
to
not only
upload
when you
directly
buy into Digital
to
Boss
Amazon
Academy,
KDP,
not only do you
and
get whatever volume you
according
choose
to
to
Artistly, it
purchase.
should already be
Let's say, for
formatted
instance, this is
for
volume
KDP.
1,
Now
volume
let's
2, and volume 3.
take
And
a
I will
quick
break these
listen
volumes down
to the book, and I hope that
further in other
I don't think
videos.
that
But I just want to give you guys an overview
I
of
don't know
how
if you can hear it. You
you
probably
can use
can't.
Artistly as well as Digital Boss Academy
Okay, so
to
here's
create
the
your own
storybook
digital
in its
product.
completed state.
But
And
again,
after
when
I
you
went
purchase
over it,
one
I
of the 3
realized
volumes,
that
you
I
will
didn't
also
like it.
get
I
all of
should
this,
have went
which
over
is
it
your
to read it and edit it.
mindset mastery,
I felt that it
online
had too
store
many words
setup,
for the page,
the story,
and the words on the page
storytelling
didn't
playbook,
match up to
digital
the
marketing crash
illustration,
course.
which to me kind of
You will get
threw
the Digital
the
Boss
entire
box.
storybook off.
It will teach you
My
how to
advice to you
launch. You'll
is
get
to
access to that.
please read over the
You'll get
story
access
like
to
I
the
did with
digital
the one I
marketing
just recently
training.
created. When you
Make sure that you're
upload
in
this to
compliance with the
KDP, if
Federal
this is
Trade
going to be your
Commission.
side hustle, you want to put
You
out the
can
best
also,
product
this is something
possible.
new that they
So make sure that you are
implemented, which
reading
was
these
the
and
Tax Millionaire
editing as
Blueprint.
much as
This is a
possible. And if you
15-month
have to go
report that
in
walks you
and
step by
change the
step to
illustrations,
start it and
please
growing
do
your
so.
own tax
Change the
business.
illustrations if you
Think
can,
about that.
just so
Your
that
very
you
own
can
tax
have a
business.
better
This is
product
the best
in
time
the end,
than
okay?
anything.
So,
If you
guys,
might
thank
be a
you so
little late
much
to the
for
game,
stopping by.
but if you
Thank you for all the
file
comments that I
taxes or
received.
you want
And
to start
we're going to get more into
a
the
tax
storybook
business,
and other
that is
ideas on
perfect
how
for
you
you to
can
get
use the
into.
storybook
There's so
to
many
make
more
money. But
things,
until
guys.
then, I will
It
see
is
you guys
so
in the next
detailed.
video.
There's so
Bye
many
for now.
things that you get to learn that you can also implement and use with Artistly. Artistly is going to help you get there quicker because you can do all your creative part in the back office of Artistly. Like I said, t-shirt design, clip art, and if I'm not mistaken, if you want to sell on Etsy, I'm not a big Etsy fan. That's why I don't teach it. But I do know that in volume 2, they do have a Etsy bootcamp, an Etsy print on demand potential. You can even do the TikTok shop, Pinterest, you name it. So guys, it's really no excuse. You just have to stop overthinking it. The year is 2026. It is time for us to start creating that income because one income is what? Too close to none. Let's start today. I will have the links for Artistly, also for my what was that? My KDP coloring book guide. I'll give you the link to that as well. And if you are looking to sign up with Digital Boss Academy, the link will also be in the description box. Till then, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.